What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I was going to work on the Civic today, but I'm just not feeling that well. So I decided I'd do some stuff to the EVO. I've had some OEM parts laying around that I wanted to install. I got a shifter, a shift boot, and then an exhaust manifold cover, and then the OEM coil pack cover. So I'm going to install those today. But before that, I decided to give the car a wax. This car actually has single stage paint, so it requires a decent amount of upkeep to keep it shiny. It's also surprisingly pretty satisfying when you wax it because you can actually make a difference in the paint as opposed to just clear coat where it just becomes a little bit more shiny. Some of the panels I even had to compound with like some heavy compound, and it went from like chalky to like really shiny after I compounded and then waxed it. So overall I was really happy with how it turned out. I just thought the engine looked a little bare without the OEM exhaust manifold cover. Luckily they're still available new. I got mine from STM Tuned. They also sell the 4 bolts to mount it, and the OEM bolts have kind of like an interesting finish to them, so I decided to get those as well. So hopefully it improves the look of the engine.